is HP k160 wireless keyboard, which is awesome and budget friendly. I bought this from Amazon on 750 rupees and today it is arrived. So really it is an awesome one. In this video I am gonna share you the unboxing and the advantages, limitation and specification of the keyboard. So let's start. The main reason why I have purchased this keyboard is that my laptop is a budget friendly laptop. So focusing on my laptop keyboard may affect or damage the laptop. So because of this reason I bought this keyboard. So let's move to the advantages of this keyboard. So this keyboard comes with a wireless communication system with Bluetooth. So you only need to pin this USB type A port in your laptop and that's ready to rock. The second feature of this keyboard is that this keyboard will work on this AAA battery. So it is more flexible to use. The next feature of this keyboard is it has 3 years of warranty by its brand HP.
So you don't need to scare or afraid about the occurrence of different possibilities of the damages on the keyboard.
You can use this keyboard all around 10 meters of the computer. So the mobility is awesome of the keyboard. This is another feature. This is the battery indication signal. Whenever the battery comes down, this indication will blink. And these two are caps lock and num lock. Whenever we are clicking on the num lock, we can able to see an orange color on the one. And whenever we are clicking caps lock, you can able to see an orange color on the alphabet A. So let's move to the limitations of the keyboard. So the first limitation is that this keyboard is built to using a plastic material that is really low quality. Second limitation is that there is a lot of people are sharing that battery capacity of this keyboard is really bad. The battery will drain easily because the keyboard doesn't have a on-off switch. Also, this keyboard have a battery saver feature. This feature help you to stop the battery drainage whenever you are not working on this keyboard. The next one is not a limitation. It is according to the personal preference. It is that the keyboard does not has sound. Whenever you are typing on this keyboard, it's not making sound. So that's according to me, it's a limitation. That's all in this video. If you have any suggestions and comment, let me know it on the comment section. So thanks for watching.